been the most constructive, effective outlet I could have dreamed of having at KU. We're a highly multidisciplinary organization dedicated to the student-directed design, manufacture, and demonstration of some really cool projects.
We are a group that invites anybody to come in and get their hands dirty.
We have all of this room reserved for student projects. It's eye-opening how much you have available, and it's really just up to you as to whether or not you utilize it. The first real full design project was our large Tesla coil. It's the 8th largest musical Tesla coil system in the world. We call it Mongo. The one thing above all that I've learned is how to communicate. We're hoping to provide students a reason to learn about manufacturing techniques, the interdisciplinary communication and the engineering communication in general to use all the resources available to them to do really impressive things. We're extraordinarily active in the community. The end goal is educational outreach and getting kids really excited about science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and really showing kids something that they cannot peel their eyes away from.